Hello. So we are back Monday morning and we are getting ready for lockdown. For Thursday, we are going to the lockdown. But we have to finish everything. Now, let's start with a coffee. Hmm? A good coffee in the morning. Oh. Now, this is a job. I'm working from Monday to Friday. And Christian is working Saturday and Sunday, I believe. But anyway, he left this tablet here. It was a simple job to replace the digitizer. That was the original digitizer. And it was a simple just replace a digitizer, iPad 4. He screwed up. So the problem with this one, he break the connector from the home button. This will be a long video, probably the last one before lockdown. So we'll speak a lot on this video, we'll fix a lot on this video. So what do you think about that? He break the connector. Now to replace that connector, that's long. So to replace that connector, that's long. Okay? So somehow we have to fix it. And he left the iPad open. How can we start? From where we can start with this one? We disconnect the battery. He took out the screw from the battery. You know, when I'm replacing screen, I never ever touch the screen, just because I don't have to clean it. To clean the screen, you need a proper cloth, and it's not that easy to take the whole old prints and leave it like clear. You have few options, the home button is just a switch to ground. So you have two options. You have a broken connector, you can solder one wire, not two wires. So one you can solder to ground, one, and not this, it's inside actually. Then you can solder only one wire on the connector. You can take the connector out with hot air, and I believe you can solder this straight on the board, yeah? Or we can stick it back and you can't take it out so easily. We can use hot glue to keep it in place. Yeah, so let's see. We have a few bends corner here. Let's try. And I don't want to leave more marks on the iPad. This is an old iPad indeed. But I just want to bend this back so I can fit the screen. Let's check for glass on the frame. And it's no glass on the frame, that's good. The digitizer. And we do have a home button here. Let me check the home button. This is gone. Yeah, so actually he managed to broke this one somehow. You can see the trucks. I don't think you can see them. Let me angle this. Probably now you can see them. The trucks are broken on the home button. Yeah, this is a replacement home button, but we can take it out and we can use the original one. What do you think? Microscope. That's good. Let's use the original home button. The original home button. This one. And this one. But I don't know if I should stick this now or not. No. Not now. That's not important. Screen, hopefully the battery is touching. Let's plug the charger and check if it's working. It is working. It is on picture. Let's be sure these are close enough. If I remember, yeah, is the last pin. Let's try it. Is the last pin to ground. So you have ground here and the last pin. There's no ground. This is ground. Yeah. Okay. I don't think it's the last. I think it's two pins from the. Oh, it is ground. So even this one is ground. Let's try the home button. This one. And it's working, yeah? So all we have to do is to stick it properly on place. So it is on place. Let's wait for the solder iron. I can use a little bit of hot glue to fix it. Yeah, it's working. Now all I need is a hot glue stick. And just a bit. That's enough. Let's wait. Check if it's still working. It is working. But that will hold the ribbon cable in place. It's not ideal, but it will work. It's a business. You know, a business, you know, the time it's important. It's essential. And when you make up the price, actually make up the price based on the time spent on that job. Yeah, all done. It's solid now. So the home button, yeah, it is working. Okay, next step. When the home button is sorted, the digitizer. Let's take out the sticky thingy. Yeah, that's the trash. Good. Let's plug the digitizer. Let's test. It's working fine. Good, let's shut down the tablet. Why not? Yeah, okay, it's working. We need one screw there on the battery. Good. Let's feed the screen. Good. He left me the screws here. 3 screws. Wait. We have the ribbon cable here. Good. Good, it's working. Good. Now the hard part is to clean the screen. Let's take a little bit off, just to be sure the button is center. Then it is. Now let's clean the screen. We had before some special cloth which are making the screen nice, but not anymore. I'm just curious, what you use to clean the screen, like to make it like proper nice, like original. So you can't see the fingerprints here. I can't see them, but I can see them on the camera. Give me 1 second. Sorry. You can still see the fingerprints. Looks fine, yeah? Next step, let's use It's working, okay. I don't know what's that counter there. Let's use the sticky thing to stick the digitizer. Now what is left is the foil from the digitizer. Hopefully the home button goes straight where it has to be. Yeah. Perfect. This is not important because it has a foil over it. Yeah, it's a foil here. And if we take out the foil, it'll be like new. The button is clicking, that's important. Now all we have to do is to stick the iPad in the front of the heater from for like 10 minutes. And after that we can put the clamps over the iPad, yeah? I'm sure there are people doing this job more professional, but doing professional is not my thing. It's just about to get the job done and that's all, yeah? Next, let's start. Let's start, wait. With a very stupid job, or what do you think? We can start with something like that? Where we can find very stupid jobs? From which manufacturer? From Lenovo, of course, yeah? Let's start with Lenovo, yeah? 1 second. Okay, the laptop is on a bag. Is something wrong with these people? I don't know what, but has to be something wrong with them. But this is supposed to be some, I don't know. I think it's expensive. Probably it is expensive. That's the touchpad. Okay. Let's see what laptop is this. This is a ThinkPad i7 Gen. I never ever seen, never ever, a laptop with such a poor quality. And when I said that, when I'm saying that, oh, Lenovo E590. Yeah. Actually, I tried to take out a connector from the board, and the connector comes out with the connector from the board, which is insane. It's so poor. I know some people love these laptops, but wow. Let me try to find the board. Let me see where is the board. And I was nearly to rip off the keyboard because the screws was behind of the space key. Insane design. Anyway, that's the board. The problem is the connector got fire. It's the charging connector. Yeah, it's melted. Anyway, I tried to take out the connector. This one. No, this one, not this one. Let me see. So the board was like that. Yeah, this one. No. The board. There, this one. Let's have a look under the microscope. The Apple laptop? Yeah, it's good. If it's working, it's fine. My YouTube? It's not for it's only for the people fixing things. Okay. My channel is Electronics Repair School. Okay. Give me 1 second. 1 second. That's insane. Customers, they see me recording and ask me. And I fix his laptop, and now he asked me for my YouTube channel. Can't see the point, but yeah. Yeah, that's the one. But like how I said, it's for a.
It's nice to have a look. It's nice to look at people. My kids they like to build laptops like hard drivers.
Yeah,
it's. Can you do that?
Yeah, we are doing just electronic repairs,
Like a hard drive, a PC. Can you build one?
We can build PCs here, yeah. 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 You can speak with anyone from here, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. No,
thank you. Thank you. I fixed for him last week MacBook with the touchpad issue, and he asked me last week for the channel. I tried to avoid, but now looks like he's back for to give him the channel name. What? So what was saying about the Mac? Okay, the Lenovo. So I tried to take out this connector. I'll check there. It came out. Get the solder from the board, which is insane. Actually, people they really expect a better quality things when they are paying premium money. So now we have to fix even this. I don't know how this got this solder. Probably was never soldered on the place. So probably this was never soldered here. Look, you can't see it's too shiny. I can't see a solder thing on this connector here. What's this? This is some flux thingy. This looks like rosin, which is not mine. Probably is from the factory. Soldering here some test points. But this is crazy. Look at this connector. So all I did is with my nail I tried to take out the connector, but obviously you can see here is no solder. It's no solder. Here it is, but not there. Well, the problem with this one, hopefully you can see, the connector is burned inside. You can see? That's the issue. What did I try? And I swear, I try, you know what? Just screw it up, because this is USB-C. This is, you can't carry, you have the charger like, I think 3 amps to 19 volts. This connector is not meant for this. He can't carry so much current. When I'm saying current, when you see a charger, let's say 2 amps 19 volt charger, actually when you plug the connector, the current goes way more high. Yeah, so they are using inductors to cut down the current when you plug the charger in, because every capacitor from the board, you know that ceramic capacitor which was getting shorted, they take a high amount of current till the point they get charged. Now give me 1 second. Okay. I'm so unhappy about, I'm calling like from 10 calls, like 5, you can't hear anything. The call get cut down. It's I can't use the phone anymore. I don't know why. So I have to call, even now I called them like 4 times and no sound. So I have to call on the Facebook Messenger so I can speak. I'm on the free network, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So the capacitor, when you plug the charger, is like few milliseconds. Actually, the capacitor they take high current. So if you have a 2 amp charger, the current can go very high, probably like 3-4 amps. Yeah, till the capacitor get charged. They are using inductors to cut this spike on the current, but still the current goes up few milliseconds. Yeah. And like how I said it from before, USB-C is a very bad idea. It's a very bad design in the first place. So you have close pins and you try to carry 19 volts and few amps. And also you have next pins, you have data lines, like 4 data lines, high speed, low speed, data. It's insane. This is not meant. And we have so many problems with the USB-C ports, even for phones. Even I can't, if it's bad for phones, it's a lot more worse for laptops. So we have to, how much we pay for the charging port? Look, if you check on eBay, based on the model number of this laptop. What is this one? We pay £30, 30, yeah, £30 for the charging port. Crazy. Check on eBay, yeah. Just take the model number, yeah. What's the model number? It's a Lenovo E590. Yeah? E590, not 580, 590. The customer, he need badly the laptop as soon as possible. So actually we gave him a laptop to use meanwhile till we ordered the probably on I don't know on what websites are there, like AliExpress, or maybe it's cheaper. We have to buy it quickly. And we found it on eBay only one with £30, 30, yeah. And yeah, I said, you know what? I swear, I try. You know what? Let's take this down, and I will use like a PlayStation. The PlayStation, no PlayStation was no. Yeah, yeah, we have the connectors. I use it many times when I'm modifying things. PSP, that's PSP round charging port. You can use it. You know, you have the connector, you have the round thingy, and you can use any charging port, a small or round one. But you know what? It's not working because actually the charger has the charging ID pin, and it's more complicated. So you can't just modify. Like the charging port, they have only two wires, plus and minus. It's insane. I don't know. The technology is going in the proper wrong direction. Yeah. So let's have a look together. So I did try. Look, I did try. This is the plus pin. Actually, the plus pin from the USB-C port is coming here. So I disconnected because this is shorted to ground. Okay. I disconnected. I come here in 19 volts and it's not charging. It's not working because you need the charging ID pin. So the only option was to order a new charging port. Yeah. So let's replace it. If we are here, let's replace this quickly. Choose some flux. Let's go with the hot air and remove the charging port. I'll come with max temperature because I don't care about this charging port. And we'll solder back, I don't know how, probably low temperature. Because otherwise we will melt the charging port. And like how I said, you know, I pay £30 for a charging port. Which is insane amount of money. But when you have no choice, what you can do? Okay, 500 degrees. Okay, so the charging board is out. Let's come quickly with a new one, otherwise we'll have a problem. New one. Just because, you know, now the board is hot. So we can solder this back quickly. 350 degrees. Sorry? Okay. Let's heat up the board. Yeah. I think we have a problem. We'll see. The pins are on place. Yeah? We have to redo every pin from there. Just want to be sure every pin is soldered on place. Okay, looks fine, yeah? Let's check now. Okay, let me solder back that bridge. Yeah. Which I took it out. This one. That's great. That's enough. Okay, let me plug the charger. Let me plug first my USB. I want to see if it's not shorted. $20 milliamps, so it's not shorted here. No one told me about the iPad. Still working. Let me put the iPad on clamps. I will be back. Yeah. I forgot once iPad from the evening till the next day, and it was fine. The second day was fine. It was still okay. Okay, so everything is on place. We put the clamps and the home button is still working, so it's fine. Yeah. Okay. Good. Oh, and I have to solder that connector. Let's see if it's charging first, yeah? Let me find the battery. So how can I see? Let's see if it's charging, yeah? So this is broken. This is from the USB board and thingy. This one. Plug the screen. I'll plug the screen. Yeah. What do we need more? We need a power button. Let me see the power button. And the power button is on this board with this connector. Okay, let's see if it's charging, yeah? Let's see if it's charging. The battery. Can I unplug the charger? Charger, let's plug the charger in. No, it's not this. That's not the charger. 1 second. Let me find a charger. Ash, I need a USB, the Lenovo, the USB-C charger. Yeah. The customer left it? But the customer hasn't left the charger? But you gave me one last week, you remember? A square one, what is it? Yeah, what is it? So what is it, if you gave me the charger? Ah, it's here. I found it. I found it, it's here. Yeah? Okay, let's see. Charger is plugged in. Do we have any light? Oh, it's a crap laptop. Okay, let's check something else then. Let's check the voltage on the battery. .6. It's not charging. Let's check the voltage on that bridge. It's 5 volts. What? There was supposed to be 19, not 5. Let's try. Let me plug this connector here. I'll try to keep it pressed and power up the laptop. Or maybe it's... Yeah, it's working. So the pins, the power on pins are still soldered. The BIOS has been reset. See if it's coming on. It is on. Critical low battery. Why is not charging? Probably because you need a original Lenovo charger. Oh no, this is some generic charger, it's not the original one. That's insane. Ah, she's not charging with this one. So which one do we have here? Yeah. This one? I'll try this one. Maybe you need the original one, I don't know, Ash. How we can get the original one? Let's see, I have another one. $19.8, you can see. So you see, USB-C chargers. Everyone is different, you know. I don't think even the one making copies, I'm not sure they know every USB, because every manufacturer is using the USB in how you want. Let's check the charging. The voltage is going up, yeah. So the voltage is going up, you can see on the meter. So it is charging. It's just crazy. I'm really sorry. I told you from the beginning, from years ago, I said, you know, USB-C, it's just a bad design. If you want a good port, just buy the patent from Apple, you know? Actually, the Apple ports are proper nice. Now the Apple is moving to the USB-C. You know how many ports, like even for phones, we are getting like this burn inside because obviously the pins are too close, the voltage is too high. Yeah, and we have the charging line now. Okay, you can see the orange light here. You can see the orange light. Now just think, yeah? It's okay, you have pins, you have two pins on the side, you have two behind, but each pin is next to the other. So just think, you have 19 volts, you drop a drop of water inside, you plug the charger, what do you think will happen? It's just a bad design. Okay, let's see. So that's fine, the laptop is working, the laptop is charging. Let's unplug the battery. Let's solder that port back. So you understand what I did? I just tried to take the connector out, the correct connector comes out from the board. I try to take it out from the other side. Okay, from the other side it's working. Let's solder back this one. You know what? I suppose they have some quality control. So this laptop just miss the quality control or what? Or actually it's no quality control there. I don't think I can solder that one because the board will suck the heat. Well, let's try. Yes. Yeah. Let's try just to solder the pins. Okay, these are solder. What about this one? How can I solder that one? But that one will suck the heat. The board. So I'm not sure I can solder that one. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, so that one is solder. Every pin is soldered now. Clean. What did I do? What time? Okay, microscope. Let's clean it. Let's clean it. After that we can put it all back together. That's fantastic. Now first the board, yeah? Okay. Now those are the Wi-Fi cables. This one is from here. We can plug it back. This is from touchpad, Wi-Fi. The screen. Yeah. This is the touchpad cable. The bias battery. The speakers. The next one is the touchpad. No, actually, let's fix the. Can you put back the hinge screws? Yeah. It was crazy. I was just nearly ripped off the keyboard because I didn't understand. Actually, there are screws behind the space button. Did you see in the iPhone 12? It's any screw left? Yeah, this one. Hard drive. You see iPhone 12? It's a video there. With a guy who checked the how repairable are the iPhones, the new iPhones. Yeah. So he bought two same iPhone 12. Two phones. He opened both, and all he did, he swapped the boards. Yeah, that's all. The screen pop up error for the screen, and the true tone was disabled. The Face ID, same like the other ones, the old ones, is not working anymore. The camera stopped working. So if you try camera, the camera is freezing. But you have a pop-up message. Okay, the Face ID not working. The camera is not working. The battery, you have a pop-up message. The battery has to go on service. So it's insane. I don't know how we can fix this. Ash, you heard about the new iPhones? So you got message on the screen. If the camera is not working, if the battery has been replaced, the screen will get disabled. Few things. Yeah. Yeah, it should be working. Yeah. No, really, I can fix it if you want. Just give her an option. She can buy the Wi-Fi adapter for the price we have for sale, or she can pay like probably like 40 to fix the internal Wi-Fi. So it's insane. They locked up the serial numbers. Yeah. You know, they link the screen, they link the camera, they link the battery. It's they're going on the wrong direction. Yeah, it's not only my opinion. That's a wrong direction. So they are, you know, if you check the events, oh, our product is over reusable, recyclable. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's a wrong direction. Your product should be repairable. You should offer spares, yeah, and you should offer support for the like schematics. Don't lock the things, you lock the camera link with the board, which is crazy. Not the Face ID, yeah, because you'll think, okay, the Face ID, okay, it's tricky. Even that one is not tricky because the identity is it's stuck in on the board, not on the camera. So your device is not repairable anymore. Or you save the planet. How? Making the customer to throw the phone and buy another one. That's I don't know how they are allowed to do something like that. There should be a law for something like that. You can't come with the say, okay, my product is completely recyclable and environment friendly, but you screw up the customer. He can't fix your phone. That's not good. That's that's a wrong direction. It's the first thing is the customer doesn't want to recycle it. He want to fix it. He want to use it 5 6 years. Okay. Now I get angry. Yeah, that's my style. I get angry quickly. I calm down quickly. Touchpad. No, the hinge screws. Sorry, the hinge screws. There should be laws. Yeah, should be laws. Say, look, you can sell your products, but you have to offer them. You have to. They should be able to fix them by themselves, and you should provide spares, genuine spares. Yeah. That's the moment when no one will do copies, because you have to understand the cost of a original battery probably is lower compared with a copy one. Like the cost, how much they cost them, because they are not doing one battery, they are doing millions of batteries. Obviously, the cost will be lower. Okay, when I seen this, and I said, "Oh, look, this is a nice M2, probably high speed NVMe drive," and I take that and I see a little crazy. Okay, that screw is not meant to be there. That's fine. Touchpad. Okay, screws for the touchpad. Maybe that's not the one. That's the one. So if you want to save the planet, make your product to be repairable. That's how you save the planet. Yeah? Selling less and let the customer fix whatever you give them. We don't need like one iPhone every year. No one iPhone, like free iPhones. This is free iPhones. Every year iPhones, iPhones, iPhones. Why? What about releasing iPhones every 2 years? What about that? And you jump over one number, yeah? A12 processor, A13, A14, yeah, just jump two and release every 2 years. Huh? What do you think? Hmm? The problem is these companies like Apple, like Samsung, like Lenovo, like every company, they are paying taxes. They are paying taxes. Government is happy. The product is environmentally friendly. Everyone is happy, but it's not like that. The customer is the one who loses the money. The product is faulty. You can't fix it. He lost. Okay, the touch bar ribbon cable. That's why the electronics has no value in these days. So if you are in UK, let's say, yeah, if you are an electrician, you are more valuable compared with the do electronics. So the repairing is going somehow on the illegal side. So this is on place. What's this screws? Keyboard. Okay. How can I? Okay, it's fine now. Let's put back the screws. Now the space button. Not the space. No, it's the, I don't know, same clicks like here. These ones. So what's the mechanism? So up first. Oh, perfect. Yeah, good. Let's see here. battery. Let's not forget the battery. 2 screws on the battery. Okay. More screws. All good, yeah? Every screw is on place. Let's plug the battery. Or maybe this is not a hard drive. This is a hard drive, and this is the Optane, Intel Optane, yeah? That's the name, yeah? Optane memory. And I think we put a screw there. That's why it's not working. Yes, because was a arrow there. You see arrow, this arrow, saying you need screw here. Wait, the screw is here. Even here, I think it's not. It's not. This is from there. Yeah. Okay, so you cannot count on the sign from the motherboard. Because you see on the motherboard, look, like here, you have a sign, screw. But it's not, the screw is from outside. I think they are doing on purpose. So this is going here. That's why no one is interested in learning electronics anymore. What's the point? No, because they are saying when you buy something, you know, term and condition of use, you can't repair it. If you want to repair it, you have to come to authorized center. And actually, we are doing something illegal here. Give me 1 second. Oh, sorry. No, you have a term and condition. You can't repair it. You can't modify the design. You can't. There are few things you can't do. Them. You can't do it. And we do have jobs here, like stupid jobs. They went to Apple, this Apple said no. Yeah? Yeah. What model is? Which model? Yeah, we can do it. Well, it will be £80. Yeah. Probably tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's plug the charger. Yeah, we have key like stupid, like you just a drop of water and say, okay, this is unrepairable. You have to buy a new one if you want. That's your choice. But we can't fix it because it's water damage, and we don't even want to try to fix it. How much it will cost you? Like, let's say you are genius, working for Apple. How much it will cost you just to, take some alcohol, just clean it, brush it, and give back. Say, look, here's no warranty. Your device can die. Well, we done everything what was possible. You know what I mean? What it will cost you? It's a moral thing. I don't think a moral person can work. Maybe, yeah, maybe you can, but it's hard. When you know you can fix it, but you can't fix it because those are the company rules. Escape. It's loading the window, so it's working fine. Let's see if it's charging. Yeah, it is charging. You can see the charging sign on the... It is charging. Touchpad is working. Everything is fine, the job is done. But again, we pay £30 for the charging port. How much is this laptop? Let me check. Lenovo ThinkPad E590. It's not that expensive. i7, yeah, £900. But from United States, it's like $500, $600. It's not that expensive. But still, just a regular laptop. I was thinking it's more expensive, but it's not. But looks like a premium laptop at least. That's done. That's okay. That's fine. Let's shut down. I shall stop the video. I just want to go cigarette, order some food. Maybe not. Hmm? Yeah. Let's do it, yeah? Let's do 2 videos today. I finish this, have 1 hour and a half. You know the risk, what is the risk if I will leave the video now? Because I can leave it and you can forward it till I come back. Very possible the OBS to crash. And if it's crashing, I will lose the video. Because it's MP4 and I will lose the video. Yeah, I'll stop now. Let's see you in a few minutes. Okay? Bye.